Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Ibrahim. Today we will plant the seed of turnip in a different way. Turnip is a root vegetable that grows underground. It is round in shape and has two colors, white and purple. We eat both the roots and the leaves. Turnips can be cooked in soup, mashed, and roasted. We can eat raw turnips in salad. They are healthy and rich in vitamins. Let's go and plant the turnip seeds.
चलें जल्दी करें. What are you doing?
We are putting egg trays and we will put the seeds in there.
All right. Okay. Good. Good. Right. Are they leveled?
Yes.
Okay, good. Keep it up. Okay. Come on, yeah, do it properly. Nah, turn it. Yeah, just one turn, buddy. Okay, that's better. Good.
It's very difficult to do.
What?
I can just not measure the line.
Will you talk loud?
I cannot just measure the line, it's very difficult.
Yeah, it's difficult, but you have to work it out, buddy. Put it close. Set it. Good. No. Good. Push it towards me. Good. Nice. हाँ, push it towards me यार, क्या कर रहे हो? Good one. Oh, wait. Go. Good one. Nice. Okay. Good one. Now place the trays, please. No, the direction. No, that one. Turn it. Okay, that's good. Good. Place it closely. Okay. They are stuck.
Yeah.
Pull them gently. Not working. Wait. Good one. Press it. Good. That's good. Let's get some more. Okay? Good. Come. Place it outside. Outside, buddy. Okay. Pick up the show. Yeah. Now plow it, buddy. No.
Oh, yeah.
Good one. Very good. Okay, that's enough. I think so. Now plant. Is it 2 trays or 1 tray?
One.
Just 1. Okay. That's better. Turn towards me, buddy. Just pull it, buddy. Easy. Like this. Good. Nice. Okay. One more.